Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change song order on your Spotify playlist. So when you have a playlist and for example you want Feel This Moment, the song I have in my playlist right now at the bottom, I want to get that to the top because I like that song a lot more, however I just don't know how to do this. Well, in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can actually do it, and it's actually quite easy. So you want to head over to your Spotify playlist you want to change the song order of, and then next to this share icon you have those three dots which you want to click on it. Then right here you have this edit button, so you want to click on edit, and here you can add a profile picture, you can add your name, you can add a description, but here you also have all your songs of your playlist. And then if I simply hold down that exact song, just like this, then we can see that I can easily swipe it to the upside or to the downside, and then I can just let it go wherever I want it to go, just like this, and then I click on save at the top right corner of my screen, and we can now see that this song has been changed and my song order has been changed over on my Spotify playlist. So that's basically how you can change your song order on Spotify playlist. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.